Hi, welcome to our channel. Today we gonna discuss about Constitution 1, Part 1 of Constitution, Article 1 to 4, Union and Territories. It's a very easy method to study the Article 1 to 4 of Indian Constitution, and let me move to the chapter. The Article 1, it says that naming of our country, India in English and Bharat in Hindi, and also India is considered as Union of States rather than Federation of States. And also in Article 1, we can see the classification of territories as first one is territories of states, union territories, territories that may be acquired by government of India at any time. The first itself, territories of state, which means India has 21 states. And the union of territories, which means 7 territories that presenting in India. And the last point is territories that may be acquired by government of India at any time, which means the future states that can be acquired by India, territories that can be acquired by India, so it came under international law. And the next article is Article 2. The Article 2 is known as powers of Parliament. The Parliament has some powers. The first one is admission of Union of India, which means the presenting states in India are controlled by Union of India. The second point is establishment of new states. If whether new states were forming, that's also controlled by Parliament. And the Article 3 said about, it's very, for easy understanding, I made it as FIDA, FIDA, which means F for formation of states, I for increasing the area of a state, D for diminishing area of state, and A for alter the territories. That's all combined together. For easy understanding, we can call it as FIDA. F for formation, I for increase, D for diminish, and A for alter. And the last article is Article 4. Article 4 says that both Article 2 and 3 are combined to form Article 4. We already see that Article 2 speaks about the powers of Parliament, and Article 3 speaks about what are the powers that can be used by the Parliament. And the Article 4 also says that for the boundaries forming, name changing, everything that came under Article 4, and the Parliament has a power to do the works under Article 4, and it is not considered as an amendment of Constitution. Rather than it can be formed by simple majority or legislature of the states. If you like this video, please do subscribe our channel for getting more information about Constitution and easy way for your studies. Thank you.